Raincity Grill, we started this venture 20 years ago, and this is back when nobody expected to drink BC wine, nobody wanted to drink BC wine. If it was brought in from halfway around the world, it was better, and when we started, all that didn't make much sense. So one day at a time, one plate at a time, 1 week at a time, we decided to explore what we had here in Vancouver.
By the time I got here, they had really focused the idea to that as something that should be part of how we source our products.
And we woke up one day with a regional, local, farm-to-table restaurant with that focused on 100-mile menus and local farmers, and actually met the people that produced the food and the products that we were serving.
I'm Jason from Two Rivers Specialty Meats. My wife and I started it about 4.5 years ago. The impact of Raincity, I truly believe that Raincity was one of the founders of really understanding and really embracing local eating. They were sourcing farms out from pretty much from day one.
I mean, I came from Toronto, and in Toronto at the time, it was about how far away our products came from, not about how close they were coming from. And so this was the exact opposite of not what I believe in or what I grew up with, but what I'd been exposed to as the hospitality industry in Toronto. And I couldn't help but embrace it, because it's exactly what I believe how things should be. And
what we've found over the years is that the best food and the best products that we can get come from people who actually treat their craft, let's call it, as something people are going to eat, as opposed to something that's just going to be sold. So it's not a commodity to them. It's actually has their love and their soul put into it. The previous 20 years have been more of a test run, or getting ready for now, because back then and when we first started, people weren't interested in where their food was coming from. They were interested in where their clothes were coming from, but they weren't interested in where their food was coming from. So now I feel like the statement "we're ready now" fits, where not only us as Raincity Grill is ready, but actually our customers and our purveyors are also ready for the next step, which is to actually say, hey, where is this food from, or where is this salmon from? And that's happening more and more and more now.
A lot of restaurants last for 20 years, so it says a lot to the endurability and the sustainability and the stability of the idea and of the concept. You cannot and will not go wrong if you buy local and if you support local. And this Raincity is a testament to that.
And I look at this upcoming summer, and I look forward to things like obviously spot prawns and the various wild salmons that are going to show up throughout the summer, that are going to be fresh and right off the boat. And we actually look for fishermen who take care of their product and know that we're going to be serving it to our guests, and actually again treat it as food. And you look at all the farmers, and you look at tomatoes and all the other fruits and vegetables, from berries to even just a simple French bean. All those things are ahead of us. And when I look outside and I see the ocean and the sun out, I think it's almost time, and we're ready.
Beautiful.